Found out the secret that restaurants don't want you to know. On a board, make some cuts in 5 mussels. This helps marinate and makes the meat even tastier. Now, cut 2 onions into slices. They will turn into a delicious complement. Heat a frying pan with olive oil and add the onion slices. Now, place the chicken on top of the onions. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, salt to taste, pepper to taste, dried parsley and paprika to taste. Mix very well. This sauce will give an incredible flavor to our chicken. Now, pour the sauce on the chicken inside the skillet and brush between the cuts of the chicken. We will make sure that each piece is well seasoned. Turn and repeat the seasoning process. We don't want to leave anything out. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on low heat. This will leave everything juicy and full of flavor. After the onion has released its water, add 2 cloves of garlic and turn the chicken over. Cover and cook for another 15 minutes on low heat. The garlic will give a special touch. Now, finish with chives to taste. A fresh touch that makes all the difference. And here it is. Our chicken thigh is ready to be served. A real delight that will make everyone ask for more. Did you like this recipe? So don't forget to like and follow our page to receive more amazing news like this. Bon appetit and see you next time.